Donald Trump just got the shock of his life as the New York mayoral candidate. Zohran Mamdani gave him a devastating political slap right on the face and told him, "Sir, you are just a president and not a supreme leader. You cannot just intimidate everyone and go free," and said, "If you ever try to do that again, I will respond in a way you won't expect." This happened after Trump threatened to deport him if he wins the mayoral election. You won't believe what happened next. In this video, I will explain everything to you. Before I start, Donald Trump thought he could bully just anyone, but this time, he messed with the wrong guy. In a move straight out of a political thriller, Trump threatened to arrest and deport Zohran Mamdani, the bold New York mayoral candidate, calling him a communist and claiming he might be in the U.S. illegally. But Mamdani didn't flinch. He fired back with fire in his eyes. "If you think I'm like the others you scare into silence, you're dead wrong. Try to intimidate me, and I'll teach you a lesson you won't forget." Boom. Mic drop. Mamdani, born in Uganda and now a U.S. citizen, has been a fierce critic of ICE and Trump's aggressive immigration tactics. Trump, clearly rattled by Mamdani's rise, claimed, "We're going to look at everything." But legal experts say deporting a naturalized citizen isn't easy, unless there's proof of serious fraud. And Mamdani? He's clean. This showdown isn't just political. It's personal. Mamdani is standing tall, sending a clear message. Not everyone is afraid of Trump. If Trump had thought he'd scare him into silence, he would have just picked the wrong fight. The U.S. Supreme Court strikes back at Trump's birthright bombshell and gave Trump a gigantic sanction that will make him regret. You will believe what the Supreme Court did to Trump today. I will break this video down for you. The Supreme Court just hit Donald Trump with a cold dose of legal reality. And this time, they're not pulling any punches. After Trump tried sneaking in a jaw-dropping order to end birthright citizenship, the nation's highest court has finally stepped in, sending shockwaves across the country. Trump's bizarre new rule would block babies born in the U.S. from receiving citizenship if their mothers weren't legally present, and it's already threatening to break the Social Security system. For decades, newborns automatically got SSNs through hospitals. Now, Trump's order could throw the whole system into chaos, forcing parents to battle long lines at field offices just to get their baby's number. Nancy Altman from Social Security Works didn't hold back. She called it a recipe for widespread chaos. And guess what? The Supreme Court just made it clear. They're not going to let Trump treat the Constitution like a napkin at Mar-a-Lago. The court didn't kill the law entirely, but they dropped the hammer on nationwide enforcement, making it harder for Trump to roll this madness out. With lawsuits piling up and public backlash exploding, one thing's clear. The Supreme Court is done letting Trump run the country like it's his playground. Donald Trump is in serious tears as the Wall Street Journal just slapped Trump with a brutal political warning and told to his face that stop ruling America like your personal business. You won't believe what the Wall Street Journal just did to Trump. I will break this video down for you. Before I start, Donald Trump just got a cold slap of political reality from an unexpected place. The Wall Street Journal, the conservative-leaning paper owned by Rupert Murdoch himself, didn't hold back, accusing Trump of playing president like he's running a family business, and warning him that he may have just torched his presidency with reckless moves and ego-driven attacks. When things finally start going his way, Trump has a strange talent for blowing it all up, the Journal wrote. Their latest outrage? Trump's bizarre attack on fellow Republican Senator Thom Tillis, just because Tillis criticized Trump's so-called big, beautiful bill, currently causing chaos in the Senate. Well, guess what? Tillis has had enough of the drama. He's stepping down in 2026, opening the door for Democrats to snatch another Senate seat. And that, the Journal warned, could be the beginning of the end for Trump's rule. If Dems take over in 2026, the Journal warned, say goodbye to Supreme Court picks and hello to a presidency dead in the water. Wall Street Journal's message? Stop the madness, Trump, or sink your ship. Breaking news. Donald Trump in serious tears as a U.S. federal judge, Brian Cogan, just gave him a devastating slap right on the face after he passed an order that was against the law, and the judge told him to his face that you're just a president and you are not above the law, and you must stop ruling the country like it's your personal business. You will not believe what this judge did to Trump. In this video, I will break it down for you. In a dramatic courtroom twist, a U.S. federal judge just threw a legal hammer straight at Donald Trump's latest immigration move, and it hit hard. Trump and his hardline ally, DHS Secretary Kristi Noem, tried pulling the plug on protections for over 521,000 Haitians, pushing to kick them out months before the program's expiration. But Judge Brian Cogan wasn't having any of it. Kogan, a Republican-appointed judge, clapped back with legal fire. You don't get to treat America like your personal company, Mr. Trump. This has to stop. Nome didn't respect the rules, didn't review conditions in Haiti, and tried to wipe out President Biden's extension like it was a memo on a desk. But the judge said loud and clear, TPS laws aren't optional, and authority has limits. To worsen it, Trump falsely claimed Haitians were eating pets in Ohio, fueling outrage and fear. This ruling is a massive blow to his campaign's immigration war plan. For now, Haitians can breathe a sigh of relief, but the courtroom heat just turned nuclear.